Class 11th Commerce, Subject Business Studies, Chapter number 3rd, Public, Private and Multinational Company. It is lecture number 5. See, presently I am teaching you types of joint ventures. Point number 1, contractual joint venture. In a contractual joint venture, a newly jointly owned entity is not created. There is only an agreement to work together. देखिए काम इकट्ठा होगा but they will not open any new office. The parties do not share ownership of the business but they exercise some elements of control in a joint venture. कुछ हिस्सों पर सिर्फ वो अपना एक कंट्रोलिंग रखेंगे. The parties do not share ownership of the business but exercise some element. Only the few elements will be controlled in the joint venture. A typical example of a contractual joint venture is a franchisee relationship. Yes. In franchisee relationship, see, separate entity or joint entity or newly jointly owned entity, it is never created. Whatever is present, that is offered to you. The key elements are for the joint venture. Now see, there are some key elements. Point number A, the two or more parties, they have a common intention of running a business venture. They want to do business. B number, each party brings some inputs. Inputs can be in any form. They can be in the form of assets or money or whatever they want to bring. C number, both parties exercise some control on the business venture, means they both will have some controlling power. It will not happen that only one party will control. No, both the parties, they will have some control on the business. D number, the relationship is not a transaction to transaction relationship. देखिए आज हमारे इतने डोमिनोज पिज्जा बिके, उसके लिए हमने एक रिलेशनशिप बनाया, फ्रेंचाइजी बनाया. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल लाइक दिस. The relationship is not a transaction to transaction relationship, but it has a character of relatively longer duration. Means for big time, for long time, this relationship is established. Second number, equity based joint venture. An equity joint venture agreement is one in which a separate business entity jointly owned by two or more parties is formed in accordance with the agreement of the party. देखिए क्वेश्चन इसका हेडिंग ही है इक्विटी बेस्ड जॉइंट वेंचर. एंड नाउ दे ऑल हैव बीन रेडी फॉर द अग्रीमेंट एंड दैट इज डन. एन इक्विटी जॉइंट वेंचर अग्रीमेंट इज वन इन विच सेपरेट बिजनेस एंटिटी या जॉइंटली ओन्ड में क्या रहेगा, बाय टू या मोर पार्टीज they are formed, the business is formed and the agreement will be done with all the parties. The key operative factor in such case is joint ownership by two or more parties. See, क्योंकि चैप्टर का नाम ही देखिए, it is joint venture, then definitely it will be owned jointly. At least two parties should be there and more also can happen. The form of business entity may vary from company, partnership firm, trusts. ट्रस्ट जैसे बनते हैं, देखिए जो भी हमारे चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशंस रहते हैं, दे वर्क ऑन ट्रस्ट्स, ट्रस्टीज होते हैं वहां पर. लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप, वेंचर कैपिटल फंड्स. आफ्टर दैट सी, की ऑपरेटिव फैक्टर, यानी कि मेन जो ऑपरेटिव फैक्टर है कहां पर रहेगा, देखिए इन सच अ केस इज जॉइंट ownership. It will be joint ownership by two or more parties and after that examples are given. The form of business entity may vary. Form देखिए चेंज होता है, वेरी का मतलब होता है बेटे चेंज होना. It can be changed from, it can be the form of company, partnership, trusts, limited liability partnership firms or venture capital funds. The key elements in an equity based joint ventures. Now let us move on to the key elements. A number, there is an agreement either to create a new entity for one of the parties to join into ownership of an existing company. B number, shared ownership by the parties involved. C number, share management of the jointly owned entity. D number, shared responsibilities regarding capital investment and other financing arrangements. E number, shared profits and losses according to the agreement. And now listen, in all these key factors hai bete, in those key factors, if you have noticed that they will bring together their money, they will share the profits and losses, they will share the responsibilities regarding capital investments, all the money matters also they will take the responsibilities jointly. It will never happen that only one company, only one country, only one firm, they will take the responsibility. The responsibility for each and everything that will be shared, and that will be shared equally or according to the terms or conditions. So all these things you have to keep in your mind, and please try to understand. If you have a doubt, then you can ask it from me, and there is no problem, not at all any problem. And also एक बार और देख लीजिए बेटा, they are the key factors. And now in this I am teaching you about the key elements of equity based joint venture. They are sharing ownership, they are sharing management, they are sharing responsibilities, and they are sharing profits or losses. Examples of joint venture. Now they are AV Oil Private Limited, first number. Second number, Green Grass Limited. Third number, Delhi Aviation Fuel Facility Private Limited is third number. And these all are the examples of joint venture in India. Now I am moving on to the features of joint venture. Point number 1, increased resources and capacity. When the business is done jointly, they both the things they will be increased. दोनों ही बढ़ जाएंगे. Joining hands with another or teaming up. They are joining and teaming up माने इकट्ठा होके काम करना. Adds to existing resources and capacity, enabling the joint venture company to grow and expand more quickly and efficiently. And now listen. We are the subject that I am teaching you, that is business studies, and in business studies, in business I should say, all the matter it is of money. When there is more money, then definitely they are joining hands, more money, more profit, they are teaming up for more money. Up to the existing products in the capacity, in their capacity, whatever are the existing resources, they are using them. एंड एनेबलिंग द जॉइंट वेंचर कंपनी टू ग्रो, वो उसको इस काम देते हैं जॉइंट वेंचर कंपनी को, जिससे वो आगे बढ़े, ग्रो हो और एक्सपेंड हो मोर क्विकली एंड एफिशिएंटली. पॉइंट नंबर 2, एक्सेस टू न्यू कैपिटल, एक्सेस टू न्यू मार्केट्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क्स. When a business enters into a joint venture with a partner from other country. अब ये देखिए, यहां पर में पार्टनर हमने बनाया है अनदर कंट्री को, इट कैन बी एनी कंट्री. इट ओपन्स अप अ वास्ट ग्रोइंग मार्केट. एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन? दैट नाउ द बिजनेस विल बी डन इन 2 countries. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन फॉरेन कंपनीज फॉर्म जॉइंट वेंचर कंपनीज इन इंडिया, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? नाउ लिसन, जो मैंने अभी बताया था आपको, एकदम वही वाली बात बेटा. सी, they gain access to the first market, first Indian market. And listen now, they are getting market. market का मतलब बाजार होता है बेटे, लेकिन market का मतलब है कि एक ऐसी जगह जहां पर में हम अपने सामान को सेल कर पा रहे हैं. Listen, for example, when foreign companies form joint venture companies in India, they gain access to the vast इंडियन मार्केट. फर्स्ट नहीं है बेटा, ये वास्ट है. वास्ट इंडियन मार्केट में नाउ दे हैव एक्सेस, दे कैन बाय, दे कैन सेल देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज द मैटर ऑफ जॉइंट वेंचर एंड दे हैव एम्पल ऑफ मनी, दे आर शेयरिंग एवरीथिंग. एंड बिकॉज नाउ दे वांट टू शेयर प्रॉफिट्स, सो they are using each other's market. their products which have reached at a saturation point. Now listen, saturation point होता है बेटे अब वहां पर चीजों की जरूरत कम हो गई है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. Their products which have reached saturation point in their home market. In their home market, the requirement, the need of those products have become less, and now those products can be easily sold in the new markets. New market can be Indian market, it can be any foreign market, it can be the market for which the two countries have come together. They can be any country. They can also take advantage of the established distribution channel होते हैं बेटे. सी जैसे हमने मीडिएटर्स हमारे कितने हैं, इट कैन बी वन चैनल. इन वन चैनल देयर विल बी ओनली वन मीडिएटर, जिसको हम एजेंट्स बोलते हैं, दलाल बोलते हैं, सामान को बेचने के लिए जो हमें मिलते हैं. They can also take advantage of the established distribution channel, that is the retail outlet in different local markets. And here the distribution channel, they are the local markets, and in local markets they have their retail outlets. So retail outlets are the distribution channel in different local markets. It means उनको नया नहीं बनाना, they already have their outlets. Otherwise, establishing their own retail outlets may prove to be a very expensive. अभी देखिए, टू बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा अगर हमें वो लोकल मार्केट्स में आउटलेट्स बनाने होंगे. बट इन दिस सी दे आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल, दे कैन बी यूज्ड, दे कैन यूज्ड ईदर ऑफ द कंट्री, चाहे वो देश हमारा है चाहे बाहर का, मीन्स वट एवर द कंट्री दे कैन यूज इन जॉइंट वेंचर. whosoever are joined, they can use those markets. Otherwise, if they want to just establish their new retail outlet, that will be very much expensive. Access to technology. Technology is a major factor for most businesses to enter into joint ventures. What is done in the latest world, it is all the game of technology. If you have good best technology, not good best technology, then definitely the products which will be produced, they will be of very good quality. So technology is very much main factor. Advanced techniques for production leading to superior quality goods. And now what is going to happen? It will save a lot of time, energy and investment, because as they do not have to develop their own technology, because it is already developed, it is already in use. Technology also adds to efficiency. It is the only technology that you people are in position to listen my voice. You can see the PPT. It is again the matter of technology. It is adding the efficiency. It can show you how do I teach. It can show me what is your handwriting. You are sitting at your home, and with the help of technology, you mail me your homework. And then I am able to see the handwriting, the name of the student. And you see, we have never met. अभी हम लोग मिले नहीं है क्लास में बेटा. But because of technology, we are in touch with each other. Technology also adds to the efficiency and effectiveness, which leads to the reduction in the costs. Costs are really reduced when technology they are used. It is the only technology that makes any product, produces any product with efficiency and effectiveness. Point number 4, innovation. The markets are increasingly becoming more demanding. And now see, because now everybody knows that every business they possess all the new and innovative technology. So the market, the customers, they have become very much demanding in terms of new and innovative products. And again, I am taking the example of laptops, the mobile phones. You can see so much innovation. It is only one phone in which you perform multiple maximum number of tasks that you can perform on a laptop. Joint ventures allow business to come up with something new and creative for the same market. Especially foreign partners can come up with innovative products because of new ideas and technology. Again, listen, it is all the matter, all the game is of technology. So many ideas they can be put in, so many experiments they can be done, so many innovations, a number of innovations can be done in the existing products. Fifth number, low cost of production. When international corporations they invest in India, they benefit immensely due to the lower cost of the production. They are able to get quality goods for their global requirements. Because listen, now whatever the products we use, they remain of international quality. And now the joint venture, those who run the joint venture, really they are also in a position to get the best products, and so that their products are required in all over the world. Again, listen, they are able to get quality products for their global requirements. India is becoming an important global source and extremely competitive in many products. There are many reasons for this. Low cost of raw material and labor, technically qualified workforce, management professionals, excellent manpower in different categories like lawyers, chartered accountants, engineers and scientists. And now listen, if any one of these is not present, the work will be hampered. काम हमारा रुक जाएगा. If we do not have, if the joint venture does not have efficient manpower, efficient workforce, and efficiency means they should have the knowledge. If person is chartered accountant, then definitely he should know where to invest, how to invest, and how to save taxes. The international partners gets the product of required quality and specifications at much lower cost. And nowadays, if you have noticed that the cost of call per unit, it has been very less, because now there is competition, because everybody wants to be in business. Again, this is because of competition. Again, this is because of latest technology. चलिए point पर आते हैं. The international partner gets the product of required quality. Whatever they need, they are getting the required quality product they get, and specification with the same specifications at much lower cost with good specifications, with good quality. The international partners, they are able to get the products at lower cost than what is prevailing in the home country. It means home country का मतलब है जो हमारे देश में सामान बन रहा है जितनी कीमत है उससे भी कम देश में हमें दूसरी कंट्री से, दूसरी जगह से हमें सामान मिल रहा है उससे भी कम कीमत में. Sixth number, established brand name. When two businesses enter into a joint venture, one of the parties benefits from the others goodwill which has already been established in the market. If the joint ventures, they are in India and with an Indian company. दोबारा देखिए, established brand name. When two businesses enter into a joint venture, one of the parties benefits from the, देखिए दूसरे की गुडविल से मुझे फायदा हो रहा है. It will happen because we are doing the business jointly, and one has already made his place or made their business place in the market. So with the, क्योंकि उन्होंने तो पहले मार्केट में अपनी जगह बना ली है बेटे, they have goodwill, and that goodwill will be utilized by another country. If the joint venture is in India, if the joint venture is in India with an Indian company, and then आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा. The Indian company does not have to spend on money in developing a brand name for the product or even a distribution system, because that is already present. See once more. If the joint venture is in India with an Indian company, the Indian company does not have to spend time or money in developing a brand name for the product or even a distribution system. And what is the reason? They are already present. There is a ready market. Means when the business is done at joint venture level, then the things are already present. There is a ready market waiting for the product to be launched. बाजार तैयार है, सामान अपना लाइए और सेल करिए. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम भी आपके पास में है. यू नो वेयर टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड हाउ टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, इन विच कंट्री what item will be sold. And when all this planning is done, then only the one thing will be left, and the one thing will be producing the product and to launch. A lot of investment is saved in this process. And I hope that you people might have getting, आपको बिल्कुल समझ में आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि already वो चीजें हैं. Already those things are present in the market. So they need only to produce the product and to launch. Now I am moving on to PPP, public-private partnership. The public-private partnership model allocates tasks. अभी देखिए, public-private partnership allocate माने allot करना, allotment हो रहा है किस चीज का? Tasks, obligations and risk among the public and private partners in an optimal माने एक proper तरीके से. It should not happen that obligations are given to only one, tasks are given to another one, and risks are given to another one. No, they are distributed among the public and private partners in a proper system in an optimal manner. And now see first number पे देखिए, the public partner in public private partnership are government entities, that is ministries, government departments, municipalities or state owned enterprises. The private partners can be local or foreign, means international, and include businesses or investors with technical or financial expertise relevant to the project. देखिए बेटे, private partners can be local or foreign and they can include businesses or investors with the technical financial एक्सपर्टाइज जो कि उस वाले प्रोजेक्ट से जो भी रेलिवेंट है. दोज इन्वेस्टर्स, दोज बिजनेसेस, दे विल इंक्लूड, वो उसमें शामिल कर दिए जाएंगे. पॉइंट थर्ड, पीपीपी पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप also includes NGOs, non-government organizations or community-based organizations who are the stakeholders directly affected by the project. And now listen, जो भी उस प्रोजेक्ट से अफेक्टेड होगा वो स्टेक होल्डर रहेगा, एंड डेफिनेटली जिसको असर पड़ेगा बेटे उसको हम उस जॉइंट वेंचर में इंक्लूड कर देंगे, उस पीपीपी में इंक्लूड कर देंगे. अब जॉइंट वेंचर नहीं है, नाउ दिस इज पीपीपी, पब्लिक प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइज, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप. पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स एनजीओ, एनजीओ रहेंगे उसमें, नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और कम्युनिटी बेस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. दे कैन बी द स्टेक होल्डर, माने जिन पर किसी चीज का इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. इफ आई से यू हु आर द स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑफ द स्कूल, इट इज मी, it is you, it is your parents and there are many other persons, those who earn money from the school, they all are named as stakeholders. Public private partnership includes non-government organizations or community based organizations who are the stakeholders directly affected by the project. PPP is defined as a relationship between public and private entities in the context of infrastructure and other services. Means any type of services, they can be the part of PPP. Under the PPP model, public sector plays an important role and it ensures that the social obligations they are fulfilled. Obligation hota hai beta, responsibilities. Social responsibilities they are fulfilled and sector reforms and public investments are successfully met. रिफॉर्म होते सुधार, जिस जगह पे हमें सुधार करना था एंड पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, और जो भी हमें पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट वहां पे करना था वो सक्सेसफुली दैट इज ऑल डन. सेक्टर्स इन विच PPPs हैव कंप्लीटेड वर्ल्ड वाइड, इसमें देखिए क्या क्या इंक्लूड है, लेट अस सी. फर्स्ट नंबर पावर जनरेशन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, बिजली को हमने देखिए बनाया भी है बांटा भी है. वाटर एंड सैनिटाइजेशन अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. रिफ्यूज डिस्पोजल, डिस्पोजल चीजों को मना करिए. पाइपलाइंस, हॉस्पिटल्स. सिक्स्थ नंबर स्कूल बिल्डिंग्स एंड टीचिंग फैसिलिटीज, स्टेडियम्स, एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल. Prisons are also required. When anybody does anything wrong, then definitely they should be punished. Point number 10, railways. 11 number roads. 12th number housing. 13th number building and other information technology system. And now listen, they all have been established. ये सब चीजें बनी हैं और they all have been, they are possible, they are established with the help of PPP, जिसमें पब्लिक मीन्स गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट मीन्स प्राइवेट लोग, पार्टनरशिप, जिसमें की पार्टनरशिप थी पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप, दोनों की पार्टनरशिप थी बेटा, इसमें प्राइवेट लोगों की भी थी और सरकार की भी थी. एंड आफ्टर दैट दे हैव वर्ल्ड वाइड इंक्लूड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दिस PPP इंक्लूड दीज ऑल 13 आइटम्स. एंड नाउ लिसन, PPP मॉडल, थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज आपको दे रही हूं. लिसन, PPP मॉडल, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप मॉडल. फीचर्स, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स? फीचर नंबर 1, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद द प्राइवेट पार्टी टू डिजाइन एंड बिल्ड अ पब्लिक फैसिलिटी. अब ये देखिए, सुलभ शौचालय with the help of government they are constructed by the private ones. Second number, facility is financed and owned by the public sector. Third number, key driver is the transfer of design and construction risk. Next, application. First number, suited to capital projects with small operating requirements. अभी देखिए, कैपिटल प्रोजेक्ट अगर सुलभ शौचालय हमारा बना है देन डेफिनेटली दे आर कैपिटल प्रोजेक्ट्स. एंड स्मॉल, देखिए ऑपरेशन के लिए हमें क्या करना रहेगा, कैसे उनको चलाएंगे ठीक से. देयर शुड बी वन पर्सन, दो द पर्सन हु कीप्स ऑन सिटिंग आउटसाइड द वॉशरूम्स, ही कीप्स ऑन कलेक्टिंग मनी. ऑपरेशन रिक्वायरमेंट इज वेरी लेस. Second number, suited to capital project where the public sector wishes to retain the operating responsibility. Point number 2. स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, देखिए, ट्रांसफर ऑफ डिजाइन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन रिस्क, दिस इज द स्ट्रेंथ. सेकेंड नंबर, पोटेंशियल टू एक्सेलरेट प्रोजेक्ट का मतलब है उस प्रोजेक्ट को आगे बढ़ाना और आगे चलाना. दिस इज द स्ट्रेंथ नंबर 2. वीकनेस. पॉइंट नंबर 1, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन पार्टीज में अराइज ऑन एनवायरमेंटल consideration, means there can be fighting on the basis of environmental consideration, and there are so many parameters that should be kept in mind so that the environment should not be disturbed. Second number, does not attract private finance easily. Move on to the example. Example is of Kundli Manesar Expressway Limited. In this 135 there is 135 kilometers expressway. See, who has given them land? The government has given them land. Land has been provided by the government and the surface has been laid down by the company. It means both the activities they are done. This is the example of PPP, public private partnership. And now listen to your homework. Whatever the topics I have taught you today, you will write. And when the schools will open, I will check your day homework date wise. All the entries I have done in my diary according to the dates. Thank you so much.